again, we have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that if you like this item. Add it to your cart now. Check out. They'll ship this to you really fast. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Let's see what they sent us. And also check on their Cyber Monday deals and Black Friday deals they have going on now. Now's the season, guys. Santa Claus will be here shortly. So we shall see what this is and what it does. This is Giissmo. That's my dog's name. Alright. Giissmo 14 and 1. 14 and 2. Multi-function USB docking station. It has USB-C 10 gigabytes. Host times 2. USB host right there. PD, SD, TF card reader. Headphone jack. RJ45. HDMI times 2. USB 2.0 times 2. USB 3.0 times 3, USB 10 GB. Ooh, definitely excited for this one. We shall see what's inside, guys. Ooh, it opens like that. Okay. Bada boom. Bada bing. Some cables. Oh, wow. Plug it into your MacBook Pro, laptops, or your Macs. There we go. Wow. There we go. Look at this thing. 2 HDMIs, all the USBs, and the host 1 and 2 and PD. Got the slides. Got some over here. 10 GBs, micro SD, SD, headphone jack, 5 GBps, 10 GBps. If you guys could read it, it's right there. Super lightweight also, so nice little thing to have with you travel in case you're doing like any networking or marketing. I don't even know, but yeah, this is definitely a nice one. Got those. You could do a Mac OS mirror and no mirror mode. You can connect the double. Yeah, so you connect these to the MacBook, then insert a USB drive or SD card. It tells you how to do it too, so. You can have your hard drive to it, external mouse, keyboard, pretty much everything, screens, monitors. And this thing is nice to have. So this would be a nice little stocking stuffer. We're going to set it up in a minute. I'll show you guys in about 30 seconds from now. But definitely super lightweight. So easy to travel with. Take it on the road. And we shall be back. And we're going to plug this in right here. Right in that spot. Plug that in. Plug this into your MacBook. There you go, looking good. Got my dual monitors running. Check out their Cyber Monday deals going on right now. And they're going fast. Black Friday deals. Definitely check these guys out. Dual 4K extended display. So you can do all types of crazy stuff with this. This thing is very fast. We're going to test out some thumb drives and all that good stuff. So, I mean, if you're looking for good deals, they have them right now going on. Here's one thumb drive right there. And the second one I'm going to put right there. Here we go. Fast and reliable connection. USB 2.0. Transfer files in seconds. 10 Gbps. 5 Gbps. And 408 MB. So definitely check these guys out if you're looking for something really fast for all your networking, social media needs, editing, whatever you do on your iOS. This is a good one to get on the road. Take it anywhere, and you can see all this stuff right here it has. So definitely check it out. Buy one for yourself or your buddy. And you guys have a good night. Be safe. Take it easy.